Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Mrs. Grace. Today, we're going to learn English through a simple and interesting story. So, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Mrs. Grace, what's today's story about? It's called The Lost Wallet.
That sounds interesting. Let's begin. The story.
One sunny Saturday morning, a young man named David walked to a small coffee shop. He was happy. He had just received his first salary from his new job. He wanted to celebrate with a cup of coffee.
That sounds like a wonderful morning.
David ordered a hot cappuccino. He sat near the window. He checked his phone. He answered a few messages. Then he left the coffee shop.
Everything sounds normal. What happened next?
10 minutes later, David put his hand into his pocket. His smile disappeared.
Oh no, his wallet.
Yes, his wallet was gone. Inside the wallet were his money, his bank card, his ID card, everything.
I would panic.
Most people would. David quickly walked back to the coffee shop. He looked under the tables. He looked near the door. He asked the waiter, but nobody had seen the wallet.
That must have been very stressful.
David was ready to leave when an elderly woman walked toward him. She smiled kindly. She was holding something in her hand.
Was it the wallet?
Yes, she said. Excuse me, is this yours? David looked down. It was his wallet.
What a relief.
David opened the wallet. Everything was still inside. Nothing was missing.
That's wonderful.
David thanked the woman many times. He wanted to give her some money, but she smiled and said, "No, thank you. One day, help someone else."
I love that. She didn't want a reward. She only wanted kindness to continue.
Warmly. Exactly. Kindness is contagious. When someone helps you, you often want to help another person.
Let's learn today's new words. Wallet, a small case for money and cards. Salary, money you receive from your job. Pocket, the small part of your clothes where you keep things. Kind, nice and caring. Reward, something you give someone to say thank you. Quick questions. Let's see if you remember the story. Question 1, where did David go? To a coffee shop. Question 2, what did David lose? His wallet. Question 3, who found it? An elderly woman. Question 4, did she take the money? No, everything was still inside. Every story teaches us something. Today's lesson is simple. Honesty is always the right choice, and kindness can change someone's day. If you enjoyed today's story, listen again. The second time, try repeating each sentence. That's one of the best ways to improve your English. Thank you for listening to Easy English Podcast. Keep listening, keep learning, keep speaking. See you in the next episode.